good people? Well, unfortunately, I had to come to y'all today and give you the old walk of shame on this shipper that I'm at. I am in Albertville, Alabama. I'm at a place called Americold. I got here at 9 o'clock this morning, checked in. It is now around 2:50 p.m. and they just started loading me. You see the camera shaking, that's them bumping the truck, loading me. But Americold in Albertville, Alabama. Y'all got to do better than this. Been here since 9 this morning, an appointment time. Then to make matters worse, when I went to check in, they told me I had to pay for pallets. Now, of course, that ain't coming out of my pocket. I guess the broker's paying for that. But that was the first for me. Of course, I'm new on the refrigerated side, so it's probably a few more things that I run into that I've never seen before. But to charge, you're shipping the product and you're charging to put it on the pallets. I think it was like $210 or something like that. It was over $200 for 20 pallets. So I don't understand, but hey, that's how they doing business. So if it works for them, good for them. But I know one thing, they need to tighten up on loading these trailers, getting people in and out of here. It's ridiculous. This load is going to Texas. I could have been halfway to Texas. But anyways, that's all I wanted to come to y'all about today. I'm out for now. Peace.